Good evening and welcome to the 2021-2022 school year open house. I am Principal Stacy Gottlieb and I am so glad you're here tonight and that we can finally be face to face again. This shows your commitment to your child's success here at school. We hope you enjoy this evening of excellence. Tonight you will have the opportunity to get a glimpse of what your student experiences each day in school. You will spend the next 2 hours following your child's schedule. Each class is just about 10 minutes long. Please note that tonight is not a time for individual parent-teacher conferences. If you would like to schedule a conference, the house clerk can be called to schedule a time for a meeting. In first period, there will be a sign-in sheet that your teacher will collect. Finally, please note that some teachers are not on campus this evening. They have left a syllabus on a desk near their classroom door. If you have not already done so, please like and follow us on Facebook at VCS River Springs Middle School of Technology and Innovation. Also, we encourage everyone to become a member of our PTSA. Your support of our students and school is paramount to our success. Thank you for coming and enjoy your evening. Go Gators!